Hey y'all, it's Kim from Kim Dixon Creative. I'm back today with a project for the Oh So Inspired collaboration team. We come on YouTube once a month on the 20th of the month, and we prepare a project based on an inspiration piece. There are several of us on the collaboration team, so make sure that you check the description box below. There will be a list of all of the participants in the collaboration today and links to their YouTube channels. I want you to go and watch all of their videos and subscribe to their channels. Leave them a little bit of love. We always love to hear from the people that watch our videos. Today's inspiration piece is a fun little fun fold card. And our inspiration piece was made by Danya's Doodles, and I will leave a link to her Instagram page on in the description box below, as well as a link to this specific project. Here's a little sneak peek at the project that I'm working on today. I'm going to be using a variety of products. I recently got a better press and from Spellbinders, and I've yet to be able to use it. And I'm also subscribed to the Better Press die plate. I forget what they call them. Die plate or letterpress inking plate is what it's called. And I subscribe to the Better Press inking plate of the month, and the one for April came in the mail today as I was getting ready to do my video, and I fell in love with it, and I said, okay, I've got to use it. Now, in my video today, I'm not going to be going over how to use the Better Press because it would make the video far too long. So I'm going to do another video. I'm going to record another video this afternoon and get it up either Sunday or Monday in the next couple of days, showing you how to use it and what it looks like when you use it. The construction of this card is fairly simple. You're going to take an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, cut it in half at 8.5 by 5.5. Then you're going to score it like a normal side folding A2 card at 4.25, and again at 2 1/8. So you're going to score it in half, and then one side you're going to score in half again. This cardstock that I'm using is a Kraft Cardstock that I've had in my stash for ages. I'm not even sure where it came from, but it's very thick, and so I really have to get in there and burnish very, very well those folds to get them to even think about laying down. Now, as my focal point, I'm going to use this postage stamp die from Spellbinders, and I'm just going to use that smallest postage stamp piece there. That's what is going to be the base of my focal point. You're really not going to see it that well, but I wanted something other than just a rectangle. Now, these are the images that I used that Better Press inking plate with, and it also comes with dies that cut out the little images. You get a little inking plate for the little floss card and an inking plate to make the thread that goes across. There's an inking plate that makes the thimble. There's also an inking plate that makes a pair of scissors. Then you get the dies that cut all of that out. So right here what I'm doing is I kind of like everything to be level. So I cut a little shim there on to go on the back of that one little floss card so that when I put that down, it's level and it doesn't go down any. The paper that you use with the Better Press machine is fairly thick, and so it would show if I didn't use a shim there. Please excuse my voice today. I have been battling a spring cold now for, this is going on 3 weeks. So you'll see that in that last image, the mats that I had were not the color I wanted, or they were the color I wanted, but it didn't match very well. So what do when you don't have the color cardstock that you want? You find some ink that gets close and you make your colored cardstock. And that's what I did. So the little mat piece is cut 1/4 of an inch smaller. So it's cut at 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. Then the little blue pattern paper is going to be cut at 1 5/8 by 5. I know 8s can get a little tricky, but and you don't have to do 8s. You can go on down to 1/4 inches, and just have that your card base have a little bit wider mat behind. So make sure when you're gluing your focal piece on that you only glue half of it, or else your card won't open. And then I'm just going to add some little gems to give it a little bit of visual interest. So there's our card for today. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to go over and check out all the other videos in the collaboration. They are, y'all know I'm a basic girl, but the cards that some of these other girls make are just amazing. So make sure you go check them out. And if you're not already subscribed to their channel, subscribe to their channel and leave them a little bit of love. Leave them some comment. We really do enjoy hearing from the people that watch. So it makes us feel more connected to you all. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you for being a part of this amazing community. It's an absolute joy sharing my passion for paper crafting with all of you. Joining our YouTube community is easy. Simply click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos. Don't forget to engage with the content by liking, sharing, and leaving comments. Your participation makes this channel thrive and grow. Please remember this: our God is a creative God. He created us in His image, which makes us creative as well. We are all creative in one way or another. Step out in the world today and let your imagination soar. Embrace the limitless possibilities out there and create something extraordinary. Anything your heart desires. I love you and can't wait to see you again in the next video. Bye.